everyone, today in this video I'm going to elaborate on how to create an internet cable. First, let me introduce myself. I am Lyka Rabanera, a CSS student from Alaminos City National High School. Before I proceed to the main topic, let me answer a few questions. What is internet cable? Ethernet cables are networking hardware used to connect one network device to other network devices or to connect two or more computers. What is the use of Ethernet cable? The use of Ethernet cable is to provide internet connection. Here are the tools that will be needed in making an internet cable. First, LAN tester. Second, crimper. Third, we have here a UTP cutter and RJ45 and UTP cable Cat 5e.